I'm just thinking what households look like this morning compared to what households are going to look like tomorrow morning or Wednesday morning.
I shouldn't be laughing.
No, no, but it's just back to the craziness. You know all about it.
Yes.
So I don't know all about it because I'm always here. Great to have home economist Emily Richards back on the show. So we're talking breakfast.
Yes.
Quick, easy, to-go breakfast stuff?
To go, because a lot of the times we are kind of shuffling in the car, whether it's to work or bringing the kids to school, and you're trying to feed people. So getting ahead a little bit, and it's okay to eat in the car.
Yeah.
I mean, unless you don't want to get your car dirty, but
Right.
trust
but
me,
some
after
of these,
years,
like some of these are pretty simple, and you don't get too messy with them, right?
Exactly, you won't.
Do you want to go through them first, and then we'll make something?
Definitely,
Okay,
for
so
sure.
so you want to start over here?
This is a great breakfast casserole. So casseroles are in a big way. This is literally croutons on the bottom with eggs and milk and cheese and a little bit of, this happens to be a plant-based sausage, so you can make it vegetarian or for meat eaters. And you bake it, keep it in the fridge, cut it as the size you need, wrap it or take it in a container, and it's good to go. Okay?
A little ketchup on there.
A little ketchup. Are you a ketchup lover?
With my eggs. There's a little hot sauce on there now. You know what
A little hot sauce would be perfect.
Yeah, a little hot
I love
sauce.
that.
Okay, so this is different. What are these guys?
This is a ricotta pizza. So this is a homemade pizza, but there's no reason why, if you're having pizza the night before, order a little extra, pack it up, and then eat it for breakfast. It's super easy. Again, grab and go, eat it where you can, and just...
You're putting the eggs right onto the dough?
Yes, this is a mixture of eggs and ricotta cheese right on the dough, and you bake the whole thing together. Yeah. And then you cut it up into pieces. It's a nice big piece, and if you need to, you can actually freeze it and pull it out of the freezer so that later in the week you have some breakfast ready to go.
Okay, let's get into, what do you want to make one of these? What are these right here?
So this is just your kind of morning sandwich, and it has sausage and eggs in it, but we're gonna cook it a little differently.
All right.
I have the sausages, and I just made the sausage patties with regular sausage meat. And I took the casings off, made them into patties.
Because sometimes the patties are too big, they're not going to fit.
They are, and we want them to fit onto, what is it called?
Circle bread. This is called circle bread. Or Fifi, our youngest, calls it. Do we have any circle bread?
And then we're actually going to cook the eggs right on here. So you can actually do this.
Because this is hot from the oven.
That's right. So the sausages are partway cooked. So you put the eggs on here, and then you can season it with salt and pepper if you want. And this is great because I'm using a smaller sheet pan, but you can do at least 6 on a big sheet pan. Pop this back into the oven.
Oh, you're putting it back in?
Yeah, so we can cook those eggs. And I have one, because you're going to build one.
Okay, you want me to build one here?
Yeah, and I'm going to put these back.
So you got the cheese, you can put any cheese you want on there.
Yeah, we have some cheddar, and then if you want to add a few other things like tomato, or this is an avocado mayo that I made.
Oh, nice.
So a nice little bit of color, and really, really whatever you want.
Right, and then you can foil it up and do whatever with it.
And take it to go, exactly.
What's this one here?
This is a chia pudding. No, that's not hot, so you can get rid of that one. That's a chia pudding, and this is, again, overnight. You can do this dairy, non-dairy with chia seeds, so you're gonna get lots of fiber. It's gonna fill you up, and you're gonna package them and then take them ready to go in the morning. And of course, some fresh fruit.
Some fresh fruit right in there. Okay.
And it's colorful and absolutely delicious.
Awesome. Little cover on it. What's the last one over there?
This one's my favorite.
Because I don't know this one as well. Can I bring this over in here?
Yes, of course, and you can eat it too because it's delicious.
Okay, so
yeah. Do you want a fork? Just pick it up with your hands.
Yeah. What is it?
This is a pasta frittata. I grew up eating this. This is my aunt's recipe. It has ricotta cheese and dried sausage in it with leftover spaghetti, and it's bound together with eggs and a little bit of Parmesan cheese, some fresh basil. Cut it into wedges. You're in the car. I do it often. And it's good to go.
Again, not that messy. You know what I mean?
No, there's no mess. I mean, this might be a little messy.
The egg one might be the only one.
But cook the egg a little bit harder, and then just get going, because everyone's going to be busy. They have to pack their bags and bring their briefcase. I don't have a briefcase.
You don't. Do you have any ketchup for this? Can we put ketchup? Can we put ketchup on this?
Yes, you can totally.
Hot sauce
I would say some tomato sauce, but ketchup will work.
Where can we find some of these recipes, Emily? These are all good.
Emily Richards Cooks. That's where you're going to find all the recipes. And I want everybody to make and eat well, because it's going to be a busy week.
Yeah, happy back to school. I know yours are a little bit older, but everybody watching, happy back to school. It's going to be okay. We'll all get through it together.
We will. Support group.
Just need some ketchup. Okay, thanks, Em. More Morning Live on your Labor Day Monday after this. I used to eat so much ketchup.
Are you serious?
Oh, yeah.